Hi, my name is Myra Ferguson, and welcome to my course, Photoshop CC Automating Tasks. I'm an author for digital media training, a freelance multimedia designer developer, and an Adobe community professional. Get results faster by employing a variety of automation techniques in your Photoshop workflow. In this course, we're going to apply automation to your workflow with familiar concepts. Use built-in Photoshop commands for repetitive tasks. Work with and record actions, output files, and construct images with scripts, extensions, and data. By the end of this course, you'll be able to perform routine tasks more efficiently and apply more complex automation to your work so you can be even more productive. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Photoshop fundamentals. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn automation techniques with the Photoshop CC Automating Tasks course at Pluralsight.